Replacing radiator valves with a Netatmo Smart Radiator Valve Starter Pack. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Netatmo Smart Radiator Valve Starter Pack. Before installation, identify on check.netatmo.com the type of valves you have. Netatmo Smart Radiator Valves replace thermostatic valves. You can install the valves yourself. No expert knowledge is required. The installation is simple and can be done in any season, even when the radiators are heating. If your installation also includes manual valves, you can leave them as they are or call a professional plumber. This video shows how to replace thermostatic valves with Netatmo Smart Radiator Valves. To install the Smart Radiator Valve Starter Pack, you need a private Wi-Fi network, a smartphone or tablet. In the Starter Pack's box you have the valves and their batteries, the relay and its power plug, color adhesives, a plastic bag containing the adapters and their accessories, the adapter selection guide and the quick installation guide. Step 1. Download the Netatmo Energy app. Download the Netatmo Energy app directly from your smartphone or tablet's app store. Create an account providing your email address and a password or login if you already have a Netatmo account. Step 2. Plug the Netatmo relay into a main socket. The relay connects your valves to the internet. The sticker will be used for HomeKit configuration. Connect the power plug to the Netatmo relay. Select a central area of your home where you will plug the relay so that it can connect easily to all of your valves. Plug the relay into a main socket. A light will begin to glow. Step 3. Prepare the Smart Radiator Valves for installation. To insert the batteries into the valves, open the valve by holding down the front panel and rotating anti-clockwise. Pull back and then lift up the metal cover. Insert the batteries, ensuring the positive and negative ends correspond. Close and secure the metal cover by pushing the cover forward. Reinsert the front panel, ensuring the hooks correspond. Turn clockwise to secure. Repeat for the second valve. A radio signal will blink on the screen to show that the valves are connecting to the relay. The valve identification numbers are displayed on the screens. Follow the instructions in the app. Select the first valve to set up. Choose the room type to allocate your valve. Name the room. Name your valve. Repeat the process for your second valve. You can customize your valves with one of the included color adhesives. Choose a color. Remove the sticker cover. Stick the adhesives to the back of the valves. Step 4. Screw the Netatmo valves onto your radiators. Take valve number 1, the plastic bag with the adapters and the adapter manual guide, and go to the room where you allocated your first valve in the app. To remove the thermostatic valve you want to replace, hold the existing thermostatic valve and unscrew the valve securing ring. You will need an adapter to fix your valve to the radiator valve body. To identify the suitable adapter, read the adapter selection guide or watch the video online at adapter.netatmo.com. Fix your adapter onto the valve body of your radiator. Hold the valve with the screen facing out. Rotate the securing ring until the valve is secured. The display shows the room temperature. To change the temperature set point, turn the valve clockwise or anti-clockwise. The set point temperature is temporarily displayed on a black background. Repeat the process for the second valve of your starter pack. Great! Your Netatmo Smart Radiator Valves are now ready to use. Continue exploring the app to set up your personalized schedule and save energy. To control more rooms, complete the starter pack with additional Smart Radiator Valves.